These are the exact SQL questions that I practice to pass both Meta and Netflix coding challenges with ease. In addition to some of the larger, more complicated SQL questions, I also did some rapid-fire syntax questions. So here are two examples. You have a table of user subscriptions with the user ID, start date, and the end date. Write a query to show each user's subscription length in days. Here we're just practicing the date diff function using days. So we're going to select the user ID and date diff in days between the start date and end date as this number of subscription days. And then this is also a good time to show clarifying questions to the interviewer. Like you might want to ask, what about the people who have active subscriptions? Are they included? Do they have a null end date, or do they have a current end date based on their active subscription? In this case, it was the latter. Here's another example. You have a table of orders with the order ID, order date, and amount. Write a query to show the total order amount for each quarter of 2024. You should have a column for quarter and the total amount. In this case, we're practicing the date trunc function and an aggregate function sum. So we're going to select date trunc for quarter, the order date as a quarter, and then the sum of the amount as the total amount. We take this from the orders table, we group by one and order by one. Again, these are relatively easy questions. I'm just practicing syntax to get myself in shape for these interviews.